Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to install WhatsApp on PC. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. When you are opened up your browser, head over to search WhatsApp download and go to WhatsApp download for iOS, Mac and PC. Here, if you have Windows operating system, you can download for Windows, and if you use Mac or iOS, then you can download from here. So as I'm using Windows 10, I'm currently downloading from here. So click on download, and I have already an existing file, so it is currently showing me this. I'm clicking on OK, and my exe file is downloaded, and click on open. It will take us to the Microsoft Store, in where we can download our WhatsApp. So here all we have to do is to pause to resume the WhatsApp download, and by then, after doing that, once our WhatsApp setup is installed, we all have to do that is to set up or install our WhatsApp on PC, and that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.